Hello everyone, welcome to Core Institute of Interior Designing and Decoration online assignment. Now as we all have submitted, you all have submitted the assignment number 1. I am a bit disappointed with few of you that you people have not actually studied what do I require in this particular assignment. So all of you have given a very good case study over what is COVID-19 virus, but whereas it was required that how this virus is going to affect our interior designing. So the case study was not just about COVID-19 virus, the case study was about the entire affecting portion of the virus to the interior process thinking. Okay, so I have taken a student's assignment. So this student is Riddhi Shah. She have done the assignment very nicely. She is from 3rd year. So basically today I'm going to explain you the entire layout what she have done. Even she have done few of the mistakes, but that is okay. So I will just revise the entire thing what was required, what all things you people have missed out. So the very first thing you people have all understood that you people need to maintain social distancing. So few of you have given waiting areas where the waiting chairs are being allied at least 5 feet apart from each other. Whereas few of them have not understood this and have given a series of chair sitting. So now starting off with the thing what Riddhi Shah have done here is in the open area outside what I had given. As we people know that waiting is gonna be more people are gonna come in this particular pandemic. She have utilized the outdoor area for the extra sitting, and even if you people can see here, the sittings are very much far away from each other. So there is no risk of transmitting the virus from one person to another person, because we don't know here the patients coming are carrying the virus or not carrying the virus. Okay, even she have thought over wet garbage, dry garbage and portable wash basin. This is again a very good thought given by her. Nowadays it is very important to have the segregations of the garbage also. She have even beautified the entire layout by having good planters out there, vertical gardening system out there. Okay, getting into the main waiting and reception area. Again, you people can see here that the entire sitting is being very much far away from each other. Single sofas are been given. She have even utilized the between gaps for decorating it, such as the backrest with glass panel. So display units with bookshelves are there. Even if you people can see that there are single sofa chairs. Now if we people are having so much of space to be given in between, then why not luxury adding to it? So she have not just given single chairs there, normal chairs, she have given sofa chairs out there. Basically previously what we used to do is we used to have some of the metal chairs which is going to consume less of the space, but now you people know that we people have to have social distancing. So she have utilized that social distancing as a plus point and added luxury to the interior, and instead of using a basic metal chair, she have used a sofa chair. So this is a very good highlighting point, a very good material indication what she have given through the plan. Even if you people can see that the entire naming is also being given very nicely, the entire dimension is very given nicely. Even the presentation of the decoration format is given. So it is not very decorative plan or very monotonous plan. A very good balance has been there in the plan, where a person who is viewing the plan can view the details very nicely. Going towards the doctor's cabin, she have given a display unit out here. Then if you people can see that the doctors, if you people will see the entire arrangement in doctor's cabin, the doctor is a bit at the corner, which is very plus point what she have done. Even the arrangement of the patient's chairs, if you will see the distance between it, is very nicely and thoughtfully done, designed. She have even given the entire diagrams or entire blocks used very nicely. Observation screen has been given, machineries has been given. So each and every small parts which are going to be add-ons for the furnitures is also been thought over it. It is not just that a doctor's table has been given, a doctor's chair has been given. No, it is not just that thought. She have even thought of the equipments what are going to come down there later on, and that equipment position is also been given out here. Okay, so I won't be explaining you the washrooms because here the washrooms are very common. The very important point what I wanted from you people is the emergency observation room. Now most of you have done the maximum mistake here is by giving 6 or 7 patient bed, which is truly a very wrong thing what you people have done. Now understanding the virus, first of all, the very important thing we people are doing the basic process over here is you people cannot have bed stick to each other. Okay, so even a person who is having a normal cough and cold and he has been kept under observation, and the bed allied is having a patient who is carrying the COVID-19 virus, is gonna transmit the virus to the normal patient also. So here if you people will see that a bed has been given, proper covering to the bed has been given, so that this bed is been isolated in the room itself from the other bed. So even if a person is here, that transmission is not going to get to the other bed also. And she haven't done a very minimized, means the entire room she haven't just given 1 bed. She have given 3 bed with the proper utilization of space, as well as the safety of this space is properly been given. Then if you people can see that, no doubt I haven't asked you people to do the civil changes, but it's still okay that she have given 2 different washrooms. Now again, a very significant point coming up here is that COVID-19 virus transmits the most from the washroom areas only. And instead of giving a single washroom, she have given 2 different washrooms, which is a very plus point in the designing thought process. So in this way, the entire planning along with the presentation of Riddhi Shah has been very good. I'll be sharing you the PDF of this particular plan to each and everyone. Please go through it, please study it, and then you people will understand that what was being lagging in your particular layout and what is the plus point of this particular layout. Okay, so shortly I will be sending you the drawing. Please do study it, and then revised drawings you people will have to submit me in between this week before Monday. Okay, thank you.